always feeling so good when I'm recording. I don't know why, but it's always like a nice moment, like I'm recording. Anyway, I'm just gonna do some cleaning. I'm just moisturize so I feel nice before I start my vlog. So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for clicking on that video, and good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching me. And let's do this. So the video already told you what we are about to do. I want to do a little unboxing with you guys. This is I have actually done one unboxing video. This is going to be my second unboxing video. I think I'm getting to love this unboxing videos. The fact that, okay fine, I feel like, okay, if I buy something that I feel like it's valuable to me, I want to unbox to my followers. So I thought, why not? Let's just keep with the unboxing, just kidogo. So I am going to start with this. So I recently bought myself a new phone, and guess what? I have been using Samsung for the longest time ever. I am still using Samsung. You can see it on my wrist. Yeah, so I'm literally a Samsung girl. Yeah, so let's unbox this with you. I have already started using it, so it's not really new. Yeah, but I am still going to unbox it with you. So I recently got this from iPhone store. You can see the name, you can see their number down below. Wait, you can see their name, you can see their number, and you can see their Instagram handle. This is their Instagram handle. I'm also going to link it down below. So that's it. So that is where I got my phone, my iPhone 15, and let's do this with you guys. Some boxes. I had actually vowed that I will never go back to like iPhone. I will actually stick to Samsung. I feel like I am betraying myself. I am betraying whatever I am going against, whatever I actually say. And these are just receipts. Yeah, show the boards. I also got the AirPods. So that's let's first unbox this. I have already, wait guys, you can see it's an iPhone 15. I have already unsealed this because I have already started using it, and I got it in pink. Yay! So guys, the actual reason that actually made me, okay fine, I'm like, okay, it's not a Samsung, but I can handle. I love the color. This is very amazing. Like, this is to die for. So I went in and I bought myself like a clear case because I want the pink to actually be seen from, you know, like if I put on the cover, I want the pink to actually be seen. I love. Yeah, I love. Don't forget about that. But anyway, I love this. But this is awesome. The pink is amazing. Then the most fascinating part is iPhone was supposed to switch to Type-C, of which they actually did. So this is not going to be. So the charger is actually, the charger is Type-C, and let's put our phone on. Oh god, yay! Yeah, so currently that's our first unboxing. So I currently got myself like an iPhone 15. Second unboxing is going to be this. I got myself some AirPods, and actually I have already started using all these things, so that's why they are actually, the seal is actually out. I didn't wait till I could do this video, then I could be able to use them. So here it is. There they are. See, let's see this. Oh, Apple. So I don't think I really don't think they are the original ones because they are not written, they are AirPods words, because I think they have, if I'm not wrong, I'm not an iPhone user, you can correct me down, I think they have like a series or something, these AirPods, this and this and this, so this, but anyway, they are working perfect with my phone. I like them, thank you very much. Yeah, so I think it's just an imitation, but this will do because these things always get lost, so there's no need of investing in so much in them and you actually lose them. So it comes with cable, its charger. It initially comes with the old charger, the old iPhone charger. I'll say old because the iPhone 15 is initially using a new one, the latest iPhone in the market, so that's why I say the old iPhone charger, so don't get me wrong. Yeah, I really want to spend like this whole afternoon with y'all, so let's do this. Anyway, so it looks like this unboxing is all electronics. So guys, I got myself a new laptop. It's in HP. Any day, anytime. Like HP laptops are top notch. Like the functionality is so different. Even if, okay fine, I don't know about a Mac or something of the sort, but any day, anytime, even if I'm using all things Apple and stuff, I would still go for a HP laptop. So I currently just upgraded my HP laptop. There it is. Let's unbox with you guys. Of course, I have also started using the laptop for sure because I have edited some few videos with it. So the last video I currently used my new laptop to edit. So please check that out. I've also linked it up here so you can check out that. So okay, this is a charger. Ooh, and another charger. So it comes with, this is like two chargers. So the ports are the ones which are currently different. So just for, there's no excuse. So this and this, I think this needs a connector or something. Then this is what goes in, I think in most of the cases. It's really a good thing, the fact that it comes, that's very considerate, you know, that's very considerate. It comes with this two chargers. Keep unboxing. Okay, there we go. And then it comes with important product. So it's written important product information. That's it. And this is protective, just to make sure in the box that everything is fine. Yeah, and there it is, guys. That's how it looks. Let's open it. Let's see how it looks on the inside. This is just here for like protection and stuff because of the dust. So here we go. That's it. So anyway, that's it, guys. That's it for the laptop. So comment down below, let me know, okay, if you prefer HP laptops or Mac laptops. Let me know the advantages of the disadvantages down below. For me, I already told you, like, HP is a to go when it comes to laptops. Like, their laptops are top notch. Like, let's not even argue about that. The laptops are top notch. So I knew my laptop was in silver, so I thought, okay fine, out here it's because I ordered it online, so I thought up here, because it's showing silver, it's initially silver, but shock on me. This was the color it came in. It's not that bad because I feel like it's not far from my watch, but anyway, it's not that bad. It's cute, and I loved it because it's both you can, it actually has wait, what do they call this? So I loved it because it functions both. So you can actually join this. This was actually joined here because I was using the laptop, and it's also wireless. So even if I lose this, I can manage to actually just continue using the mouse. Yeah, then it's rechargeable. Yeah, it's rechargeable, so it uses like an Android charger to charge it. And that's it. With that said, I didn't have much for this vlog. Those were the only 2 unboxing that I wanted to do with you guys. And I just thank you for clicking on this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And you can also comment down below and let me know, okay fine, what would you like to see me show you on my channel? And for that, don't forget to live to your fullest. Till next time, bye bye.